Hello, I'm going to show you the demo on various modules of SAP SuccessFactors. Over the screen, you are seeing the home page of SAP SuccessFactors. Go through first with the home page. First, we have to do. It will indicate what are the pending tasks of the person. Here, you can see for Ananya Singh, the pending task, there is to-do list is, there are 9 reviews dues and any recruiting approvals are pending. It shows 2 and any kind of approval requests are pending. It means all the to-do list which are pending from the side of employee will be shown under to-do. Next we have my info, under which it will show all the information or profile information. Profile of an employee will be shown, timesheet, or any have to manage any pending requests or organization chart will be shown here. Above we have an option of home, under which we can see there are many modules. All these are the modules under SAP SuccessFactors. Today we will start with Employee Central, that is my employee file. Employee Central, it will show all the information related to the employee, personal information and the employment details. Personal information, it will cover personal information regarding employee, that is their first name, last name, their ID information, their biogeographical information, contact information, addresses, who are all the dependents on the particular employee. All these information related to the employee, personal information will be shown under this. Payment information, that is their bank transfer payment method or bank information. Second, we have employment. Employment will cover information about organization and job. Organization information will cover the position information and organization information. Position will show the position of an employee, position enter date, time in position, it means how many years the employee are in this position, and organization information. It will cover organization, company name, organization unit, department, location in which the employee is working, division, etc. Next, we have job information, under which it will cover the employment status, and importantly, under job information we have supervisor. It means for the employee who is the reporting manager. Next, under employment, we have job description, which is sharing the link of job description. It will cover roles and responsibilities, primary duties of a particular employee related to the job title, job summary, competencies, skills required to perform the job, what is the requirement of educational qualification, and interview questions. So it will help employee to know what are the things are being expected from the employee so that they can do to achieve the goals and meet the expectation of an organization. Under this employment, we have another detail, that is employment details. It will include all the employment details like hire date, seniority, start, first date worked. Again, it will cover the all employment details and job relations. So this is under Employment Central. We have covered these two information, personal and employment.